ICT Minister Timothy Masiu, in a media conference today, says an initial decision to grant consent was given last month, but following further dialogue between NICTA, Telstra and Digicel, a final and unconditional consent has now been granted by the NICTA board. In October 2021, Telstra and Digicel advised the government and NICTA of the proposed acquisition of the Digicel Pacific business. Digicel PNG Limited and Itron Limited are part of the group, which also includes operations in Fiji, Tonga, Samoa, Vanuatu and Nauru. Masiu explains that Telstra subsequently sought consent from NICTA under Section 52 of the NICTA Act 2009.
Section 52 requires that NICTA's prior written consent be given before there can be a transfer of license rights. And the transfer of a quarter or more of the ownership voting rights, whether direct or indirectly, is considered to be also a transfer of license rights.
Minister Masiu added that there are many individual operator licenses on NICTA's licensee register, and Section 52 consent occurs regularly.
What happens to and who owns Digicel PNG Limited is therefore very important. It is important also to note that Telstra has made it clear that under its ownership, Digicel PNG will continue to maintain all existing services and networks and to continue the charitable work in early education throughout the Digicel PNG Foundation.
Masiu says it is important to note that when the acquisition is finalized, Digicel PNG Limited will be the same company, subject to the same license conditions as now. The final approval acknowledges and noted further capital investment in PNG by Telstra to the tune of about 200 million kina over the next 2 years to improve rural connectivity and network reliability. Freddie Mo, TVWAN News.